Good afternoon, good evening guys, wherever you are in this beautiful world. Whenever you're watching this YouTube video, welcome to the Bitcoin Family YouTube channel. For the newcomers, my name is Didi. That beautiful girl over there is Joli. Yes, she is blonde, more blonde than ever before. Today, a beautiful video with some news, some TA, and of course some music, and of course some AMA. So I will wait for a couple of seconds to get some people in here really early this morning, 8:20. So it's like 20 past 8 in Portugal. Some really cool news articles that we can discuss. And then of course after the news, some price and of course some more fun. Because we need fun in this beautiful world of non-fun. Good morning, Spot Klaus. Spot Klaus? Yeah. Good morning, Spot Klaus. Good morning, Billy Bitcoin. Good morning, Dilano. Goedemorgen, Joli. You see, Judy, this is too early. She needs another 5 to 10 minutes. Yeah. I forced my daughter to come and work with me today. We're gonna have fun. Jim is not here today, so that's also a change for a difference. Now, today, Didi and Joli do the bar. Good morning, Wim. Good morning, Gordo. Good morning, Vinelemax. Good morning, morning. Yes, the sun is shining again. Check the view. Bob, there. The beautiful sun. Early on the morning. I should be walking the beach. But we are now talking Bitcoin, blockchain and life. Tell her to smile. She will smile in a minute. Look, now you get her not to smile. I check that is her face when you say tell her to smile. Is that your smile? Oh, she looked like the bitch now. Did you see that? Welcome to my life. Ah, there she's smiling already. Look, she has a beautiful smile. Just like me. Hey, Milan in the house. Is that Milan? Which Milan? Hey, that could be Milan from Spain. Your uncle, how do you call that? Brother-in-law. 58 already. Wow, new record. In 2 minutes, 58 viewers. Joli, go into the screen. Show your blondness.
No.
Blonde. Look, we both have the most beautiful smile.
Yeah.
Are you ready for some news? So then Julie can relax 2 more minutes. So she has all. Or maybe she can listen to the news. Maybe she likes to hear this strange news. Okay, guys. Yeah, I should have blonde as well. How would it be me with blonde hair?
No.
Nah, I don't know. Nah, guys. AFL first limited edition NFT drop sold out in under 12 hours. That means the Australian Football League first limited edition drop, non-fungible tokens of course, saw a huge take-up on Sunday and sold out in 12 hours. So that's a little bit more mass adoption coming in there because Australian Football League is all of these big guys and they now sold their NFTs. Cool in the NFTs and they were sold out in 12 hours. Main adoption coming over there. Can I do it like this? No, I can't do it like this. Probably. Now, then we have a beautiful article about the Korean police. They seize crypto for unpaid traffic fines in trial. Okay. The Korean police, they seize crypto for unpaid traffic fines. How the fuck do they know that you have crypto? And do you know how the fuck they know that those people that didn't pay their traffic fines had crypto? Because they bought Bitcoin on a KYC way. So they knew their customer, know your customer, KYC. So when you do your passport, your address check and all that shit, they know who you are, they know that you own Bitcoin. And if you don't pay your traffic fines in Korea, they will take your crypto. Now, again, that's the reason why I always say buy non-KYC. And now you always ask, why do I buy non-KYC? We, you and me on the beach, OTC. Bad in rapping, but very important. Remember, don't buy all your Bitcoins on an exchange. And if you buy them on an exchange, make sure they disappear in a beautiful way with coin mixing, like Tornado Cash. Because then again, they arrest more people. But let's not talk about that. Again, we already had that one. Now, then there is this one I'm gonna do at the end. Yes. Now, here, another article. The Fed adds a new layer of bureaucracy for US banks engaging in crypto asset activities. So, the Fed, do you read it? The Fed adds a new layer of bureaucracy for US banks engaging in crypto asset activities. Since when in history does the Fed make the law? I thought politicians made the law. Or do the Fed own the politicians because they pay them a shitload of money? I don't know, but I have never seen the Fed makes the law. That would be the same like a good friend of mine, James, says always to me. It would be the same that the Ford company, the Ford cars, now starts to make the laws on how people should pay taxes on road tax on by driving on the streets. Ford is a car producer. They cannot make laws on how people drive on streets in every country. So why does the Fed now think that they can make laws on how we use money in every country? Really strange. I've never seen that the Fed was able to make laws, but probably in the United States it all works a little bit different, and the Fed can make laws because we have more news coming in that another is like FDIC. I don't know who they are. They are not you and they are not me. But even those were now like stepped in to force banks from working with cryptocurrency companies, adopting to Republic Senator Pat Toomey. Stop it. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, they are the future. You cannot stop them. That's why they are unstoppable. These people should really watch this stream here on the beach because they don't understand anything about Bitcoin at all. They should need education. Now, there is one more article that I'd really like to bring to your attention, and that one will also lead into the price because, check, Bitcoin is the new retirement strategy. Bitcoin is the new retirement strategy. It's new for the ones that start now. It's old for the ones that already did this in 2016, like Joli and me. Joli already is with vervroegd pensioen. No, not yet. She really needs to work a little bit and then she can go with retirement. But if Bitcoin goes up to $1 million and it grows faster than the price and than inflation, then she will be able to do stuff that she really likes to do instead of working for a boss or her dad, because that's not fun as well. But that is something we will talk about later. But how are they calculating it? Now, we all know that Bitcoin, in average, grew in the last 10 years with about 120% each year. So my capital doubled every year. That we all know. So now let's say Bitcoin doesn't work anymore as good financial-wise as the last 10 years. Of course, Bitcoin will always be working fine. It will do what it's doing. It's the best blockchain out there. It's decentralized. But if it comes to accumulating wealth, what most of you people want when you get into this industry, which is not strange because that is what most people pretend that Bitcoin should be about. So let's just pretend that Bitcoin is there to create wealth. And let's pretend that instead of 120% a year, Bitcoin will do like 10% a year. So if you start with a nice amount now and do that for 10 years, you doubled your capital like in 10 years, for example. But that would be more, of course, because of the compounding of your capital. So that's why they call it a pension fund, because if you do that 60 years, just imagine what kind of capital you have been building in those years. And then at the end, you think you can enjoy it when you're 60, or probably maybe you're dead or something else, or you're injured, or you can't walk the beach, or jump out of a plane, or like climb the Himalaya because you were waiting to become 60 to become and enjoy your life. Not my style. My style is loving life now. Now, the view behind me is amazing. It was my daughter. Now she is aside of me. That was all the news for today, guys, and we can talk a little bit more about the news because I know that you're going to ask questions in a minute, and when you ask these questions, I will answer them again in the way that I should be answering them. To be very clear, everything I state in this video is my opinion. It's her opinion. We are not financial advisors. We are not even any advisors. We are just long-haired dudes and babes working on the beach. So that is what we do, guys. But again, we have a other opinion maybe than the rest of the world, because we're already living that life with a family since now 2016, and I've been in Bitcoin already since 2013. So we had the 2014 crash, the 2019 crash, and now we are experiencing the most beautiful crash ever, the 2022 crash. Yes, why it's the most beautiful crash? Because we only crashed 72% instead of the 84% that we normally crashed. At the moment, guys, Bitcoin is at 23,400. Are we in troubles? Are we seeing a Bitcoin dump? Is this breaking the pattern that we've been talking about lately? Now, if you look on the 4 hour, it kind of looks like, if we look on the 4 hour, the charts not always do what I want, but that's because my telephone is very small. Maybe I should use an iPad. Maybe I should use an iPad and then do it with the iPad. Yeah. Look, if you look in the 4 hour, it's still kind of going up, but not as sharply anymore as in the beginning. So in the beginning, it was huge differences between high and lows, and now the differences are becoming smaller. That means that we are probably rolling over because the tops are not becoming really high anymore. Now, that red candle is still higher than that previous dip. So what that is, we are still in the upward pattern, but the upward pattern is less steep anymore. So if we look and we zoom out to the daily chart, which would be more beautiful for me because I always zoom out. Look, in the daily chart, it still looks, I will draw a line so that you understand what I'm saying. The line is not perfect, guys. I know that the line is not perfect, but I just did it quickly on my telephone. But look, on the daily chart, we can still see that we are in this uptrend. We can still drop a little bit, but we will still find that support at that blue line, which means that in the daily line, we're still moving upwards. We're still trying to hodl that trend. Maybe I can do the line a little bit more perfect so people don't complain on screen and all that stuff. Look, something like that. You see? That's what we're doing. So we should be bouncing. If we break that line, yes, we can fall again. And if we fall, I think we will fall to the level of around 21,000 something 600. Yeah, that's where a lot of support and resistance was. So that is the level that we can fall again to 21,700, something like that. But let's say we go up. Bottom is a round up. Like you say, round bottom is a round top. Yeah, but that's on the bigger time frame. If we zoom out to the monthly chart or the weekly chart, there is what you see. There is what you can see what I mean. We didn't have a blow off top. We went so beautiful round top, and now maybe a round bottom, like a beautiful wave in the sea where you can surf on you and me. Now that was all the news. That was all the price. I did it in 12 minutes and 44 minutes. That is really beautiful. Now we are going to play some music. We're going to have some chats about Bitcoin, blockchain, and life. You can ask me or her whatever you want. Look how sexy Joli looks tonight. Yes, it's my daughter, but I can be very proud of her. She bought a new suit at, I don't know the store. We cannot make promotion at the store. Goedemorgen Martijn. Good morning John Verschoor. Good morning Billy, Bitcoin again. Good morning Aurelius. Good morning Delano James. Good morning Yo Hess in the house. Good morning G. Good morning Liam. Good morning Barry. Good morning Teradio Jones. Good morning. Good morning Rob. Good morning Tom. Good morning all of you. Nuno, Fuku, Zuku, Zidilano, Milan. Yes, that's me. So that's Milan in the house. Good morning, Jeroen de Jong. Yes, I'm going to go blunt. When you go blunt, you will never go blunt again. Something like that. Xander, good morning as well. I will take a sip of my coffee. When I get these white things in the corner of my mouth, just tell me, because I'm an old guy. Now, Julie, do you have any news about anything about us, about our family, or about your new hairstyle, or about what is happening in our lives at the moment? Just maybe you can share a little bit about what's happening in our lives at the moment. Yeah, that was good.
Shut up! I tried to dye my hair. I went wrong, so now I'm totally blonde.
Turn around. She's really blonde. Check. Like blonde.
Like I just wanted to go a little bit lighter, but now we're totally blonde. There's something else going on.
How many people are sleeping in our house at the moment?
5, 9. Yeah, 9 other people.
Yeah, total we are with 14 now.
14.
Oh yeah, one person left already. One person left. So we were at 15 the last 10 days. It means no more rest, no time for anything else. It looks good, the color I feel.
Thank you.
Yeah. Slime ball. Slime ball. Do you say it's slime ball really?
No, it's something else.
Something else? Sucker?
Huh?
It's quiet, it's quiet.
Yeah, because they're not asking any questions.
Are they not asking questions? My God.
What's that?
It's a new infinite hop to flow beer. We are selling hop to flow beer, guys. How cool is that beer? Hop to flow. Instead of stuck to flow, hop to flow. It's brewed in the Netherlands. It's really good beer. So hop to flow. If you come here, you can buy them. They are expensive, €5 a can, but then delicious. There was a question. There was a question for you. Joli, do you still like Vitalik, the owner of Ethereum? You know, that guy that I showed you that was really handsome, Vitalik.
Oh, that one.
Yeah. She loves Vitalik. But Vitalik doesn't send us any Ethereum back for that, huh? So, fuck you, Vitalik. Send Ethereum. Do you like nomadic life?
Yeah. For me, it's just it's just normal for me, so I like it. It's like why can't I scroll to?
Because your nails are too long. Wait, I will do that stuff. How does it feel never to have work? Never to have work ever.
Well, Dad works all the time.
You see?
He's literally working all day.
I'm workaholic.
And I work also sometimes, so that comment is not true.
Maybe he means how it is to have not. Maybe he means that you don't need to work ever, but you don't have the pressure. But that's something else, maybe. That's true too. Kan je jezelf een beetje vermaken? That's a very dirty question in the morning, hè, Martijn?
Ma.
Martijn, you are going too far. It's my daughter. She has 2 sisters, and a lot of people flying over, coming by, and hello, have a nice day, Pedro. Joli, will you send your kids to traditional school?
I have no idea. I do want them to learn the basic things, English, writing, reading, of course, but that doesn't need to be in a traditional school. For me, it doesn't need to be.
My grandchildren are not going to a traditional school.
Those are not your kids, those are my kids.
My grandchildren are not going to traditional school. Your hair is pretty. Good job.
Thank you.
Do you? Oh, ay ay ay. Do you like? Ay ay ay. Do you like the art? Do you like the Bitcoin artwork specially made for the Bam Bam Beach? This one.
Which one? The green one?
People, the new one. This one. People don't know
Yeah.
which
Really
one may be.
cool.
This one is created by BB Art. Check him. They are also in the chat. Look, it's epoxy. What do you say? It's epoxy. It's thick. It's smooth. It's golden colors, and it's Bam Bam Beach. Bam, Bam, Beach. So the question is, do you like that one?
Yeah, I love it. I think it's really cool.
But we also want one of the Bitcoin family, yeah? And then gold with orange color. So let me know how to order them in the chat, and I will order a beautiful one with the Bitcoin family.
Als je dochters kleine kinderen neemt, kan je met kleine privéschool beginnen.
Yeah, they will be working on the beach. Yes, Kelly, school is poison for the brain. They rape your children's brains in school. Get them out. He wants kids to go to school?
He doesn't want kids to go to school.
Nah, fuck it. There is no school. The school of life. Joli.
He's going to marry a doctor. Don't know about that.
A doctor?
If he has bitcoins.
Doctor? I don't know. I don't see you with a doctor.
No, I don't see me with a doctor either.
No, a doctor. That's a guy who did school and then thinks that he knows everything by Googling stuff. Nah. Yeah, it is. It is. They poisoned her as well. I took her out of school just on time. I saved your life by doing that. Did you know? Do you even realize I saved your life by taking you out of school? And because else you would have been a brainwashed monkey that can repeat and remember books. Can you say, thank you, Daddy, for saving my life?
No, I'm not gonna say that.
So you're not thankful I saved your life?
I am thankful, but I'm not gonna say that.
School is fun. Yes. Especially in the pause. Okay. So how did your 4-year-old kid learn to crawl and walk? The answer is naturally. And you can also learn naturally by living life. And of course you can learn kids how to calculate and how to read and how to write. But there will be a point in their lives that they will want to learn to read. And then there is no pressure on schools that before 1 or 2 or 3 years old you need to learn 350 words. You just do it in your pace. Yeah, I want a son. I've been trying, but after 3 times, I'm like, if I do it now the 4th time, it will be again a daughter. So, yeah, no son. I think I will have some son-in-laws.
Yeah, you will.
I think we will be a very multicultural family in the future.
Can you scroll back?
What is the wrong with your boss?
I can't scroll.
Joli doesn't care about fools. I don't know. Joli, how is it to live in different places when you're young?
It's a lot of fun because you learn a lot of, obviously, and get to party everywhere in different countries. But it does mean I need to travel a lot, and that sucks sometimes. Flying.
In the beginning, it didn't suck. Then it was an adventure. Wow, we have a television in the airplane, and now it's like again the same movie. And now she likes to be steady a little bit more, like on one place. So that's why we slow travel.
I feel safe everywhere. Kind of, yeah.
Kind of.
Maybe when we were in Mexico at night, maybe a bit less. Further, I feel pretty safe.
See?
There's something.
What do you think, Didi? About what? Oh. Did you ever think about the worst case scenario when the crypto crash? I'm also thinking about to go all in, but before I go for plan B, I wanna make also plan C. Mietjes maken rietjes, get financial, education, I can adopt you. Do you think I will see 100k Bitcoin? Yes. Oh, higher than 100k between now and 2025. So that's like 6 times your capital, like 7 times really. No, we have no plan C. Which is really bad, of course, because I need to think about the safety of my wife and my kids. But if Bitcoin crashes tomorrow, we will be bankrupt. 0. Then we really need to work in the bar. Or maybe then we get some Bitcoins from the Bitcoin community because we did our best to promote Bitcoin, and then Bitcoin will be worthless as well. So, now we will be bankrupt. We don't have a plan C yet. Not yet. What? Can you read? Didi needs to get gun. Yes, I think I need to get gun. Blijft het in september nog warm in Lagos? Yes, September is amazing. Even better than now. We will make a Bitcoin family artwork. Let us know what colors you would like. Yeah, take it easy, take it easy. I will, but that one I want to pay. No plan C, like I said earlier. Do you like the new music?
We're in Portugal and Lagos.
But it's early, guys. Hi, Texas. Check. This is the view we have. We are looking at our own beautiful beach where the people come, and we have a lot of beach beds empty because it's too early. But then again, we are always early. At least I am always early. Is there a number BTC needs to hit for you to retire? We are already retired. Sorry. So we are retired. We are doing this.
I'm not.
No, you should get some more bitcoins.
Yeah.
So, or you get a lot of bitcoins, or you just work for a normal job, and become a slave of the system. The house is a big part you can put all in. Retired with fiat money. No, I'm not gonna retire with fiat money. Then I prefer to go dead or bankrupt, but then I retire with fiat money. Fuck the fiat money. What music do you like?
I like Dutch music. The Dutch rap scene, French, from the UK.
The music that we cannot play because else we will again get sanctioned by YouTube. But mainly Dutch rap that you don't understand what they're singing, and
I understand it.
after reading the books. Look, my head is thinner than your head. Hoi. Grundstuk in LBV gekauft. Bis bald. Oh, there was one guys. Don't you find it difficult to leave behind your friends every time and then build up new friends?
No, because I will see them in a few months again, so.
For the ones that don't know yet, I'm gonna tell a very beautiful, important secret. The world is round or flat, and you can only stay on the world because we don't have money yet to go to the other planets. So every time when you keep running the round circle and around the world, you run again into the same people every time again. It's not that they disappear, they are still on that same thing that's floating in universe, and you just connect every time again with those people. So it's not like we are leaving for Mars or the moon, we are just in Earth. Sorry. Is blonde a real color?
Yeah, but dark blonde, not this blonde.
No, this is like blonde, but I like it. If you use your pink glasses now, you look like a famous woman. Where's your pink glasses?
I don't know.
You don't have them with them? Terrible. Joli is not. What is this? People think if they get a lot of money that problem all over. First you need to find out who you can keep your money. Yeah, that's why we use Bitcoin, and money is still not the goal in life. It's just being happy, and money is nice to buy food, but you can also grow your own food. Money is nice to buy your own drink, but you can also get drinks from the earth. So there's many ways, but we should fight those that centralize the fuck out of water and air. I don't think in the future you will be paying for oxygen. They will tax you for the oxygen you breathe. Will you be running Bam Bam every summer? That's a very good question. I like Bam Bam, but for me the goal would be to decentralize Bam Bam tokenize it, decentralize it on the DAO, and make it community driven, so owned by a community, and that community decides on all the decisions, the colors of the bar, the drinks that we serve, the prices that we make, everything. And then as a community run the bar, and also people from the community that can work to own the token again to become a bigger stakeholder of that beautiful DAO. So that is what I envision and what I would like to see. I don't think that my current partner Jim is in that same vision. I think he thinks a little bit different about bars and all that stuff. So with that in mind, we would be running it, but maybe in a different location or whatever. We will see. We don't plan too far ahead. So we will take it easy and see how far we can go. China indeed has already centralized. I don't think central bank digital currency will replace coins like Bitcoin. It will replace euros and dollars. So they are going to fool you again, but now with a digital euro and dollar. So they're going to fuck your life up again with a digital euro and dollar. They're going to have you pay tax with this new digital euro and dollar, so that they can enforce you even more easy to do whatever you don't want to do, because then they can freeze your digital euro and dollar. So don't fall for that trap. Didi, you can visit my family at Isla Cristina Beach sometime. Where is Isla Cristina Beach? It sounds really exotic, so maybe we should. Are you using Moon Wallet? Yeah, I've been using Moon Wallet as well, but I prefer Blue Wallet. 15k before the next bull run? Dan? No, I don't think we will go to 15k. No, but watch all my TA videos and then you will understand that I cannot predict the future, but I don't expect that to happen. I don't know what is nice explained, but everything I say is nice explained. Yeah, I'm very intelligent. Yes, my kids don't like me. Look, because they're not as smart as me. How does it feel to live with a dad that's always smarter?
You're not always smarter.
I'm the smartest. One-on-one is? See? 2. I was much quicker. Morgen, till well will you be at the bar? I might go visit one day. We will till the end of the season, so at least till October. And if I start to freeze my balls off, then we go. Have Joli Bitcoin?
Yeah, I have Bitcoin. I'll try and... Yeah, those questions I can't answer.
Oh, you can't answer. I will go. Where is it? Do you get Julia's Bitcoin 25 or more? One more time, then the moon. That's something I do expect. So I expect that we can bounce one more time to 21,700, and then go to the moon again. But first sideways, I think, in my opinion. Hey, you guys, Bitcoin family and Bas Rutten are my favorite Dutch people. Always positive vibes. So important for a great life. Thanks a lot for doing what you do. Thank you for watching our videos and all the bullshit that we share, but also of course the important TA and live videos that we did make when we were starting the channel. But I don't know, Juna doesn't want to make videos anymore a little bit, and Jessa does one, but that is always cranky. Julie has a lot of goodness, Didi. You did a great job. Yeah, I prefer to say perfectness, but goodness is also okay. The most beautiful place where you've ever been. That is what I like. That's a good question. Oh wait, one more question. Bullish or bearish this weekend? I think we have a bullish weekend. And then here, peaked on inflation after the numbers of few days. Do you think we peaked on inflation after the numbers? No, I think we are just doing the TA, and the news is not that important to what TA does. The demand and offer is important. What do you think about Canada reacting to crypto purchases to 30k for restricting Canada to 30k for majority of houses? Yeah, I think Canada is fucked up crazy. I think their president is really a moron, an idiot. I think he looked too much videos of 1940 to 1945, the German Austrian guy that was doing some strange thing in Europe. I think he likes to be that guy, but then in Canada, if you look what he did with all the restrictions and the lockdowns and all the truckers and all that stuff, I think that's a retarded guy. So if he now is going to do this, restricting crypto purge to 30k, goodbye Canada, goodbye that idiot Trudeau. I think his name is Trudeau, which kind of sounds like Dutroux, but you know, also a strange guy. I'm not comparing him, but it sounds like I said. I don't want to send my kids into the future school. Yes, we will do that later, but it was a good question. Yeah, we can't find the question. Yeah, the most beautiful place you've ever been.
Let me think. Or the Moluccan Islands. Or what's it called in Australia? The island we went to. Fraser Island.
Fraser Island.
Really thought.
Yeah, that was really beautiful. Huh? Did you remember that still?
Of course.
That's like 3 years ago, 4 years ago. 4 years ago. Almost. We would love to go back to Australia, by the way, if they don't force us to have vaccinations and all that stuff. Joli, did you ever what? Can Joli do 1 TA? No, she's not that good in prices.
No.
She's a hodler, stacking sets, hodler. Yes, we know Sevilla. We love Sevilla, but it's bloody hot in the summer. I don't like Rock. Sorry. BlackRock is an idiot company that wants to rule the world. So them dipping their toes in crypto, I don't like it. But on the other hand, you're bringing a lot of liquidity into the market, which means even less Bitcoin will be available for the rest. Which means if there is no Bitcoins available, but people want it, then the price will be going up even higher. So everything has a positive and a negative side. Yes, we have been to Barcelona many times. We love Barcelona. At least I love Barcelona. You need to speak for yourself. Joli definitely gets her looks from her mom. Ain't that right? That's a lie. Look. It's a copy. He's a clone with blonde hair. Attention because you're at the daughter of. Do you get attention because you're the daughter of Didi?
Well, sometimes I do get attention, but it's when I'm with my dad, not alone. They don't recognize me. But of course, people act different because that's my dad. That will always happen. Especially in Holland then.
What we're drawing what?
What? Just scroll.
I wouldn't have too much on those platforms. I always would have most in your own custodial wallets, so your own wallets. Did you go to the Moluccan? Yes. I went 3 times and Joli went 1 time. I think we stayed a week at a local family.
Yeah.
And yeah, it was a very special week. I think one of the most special weeks of the whole trip that we did in the last 6 years. Because you come back to the island where your great-grandfather was born and where there still is a baleo, it's a wooden structure building with a roof with a pole with your name on it. So they saw their own last name on the other side of the world, which of course is really strange. UK stopping next to crypto, exchange is wrecked. Yeah, UK is wrecked. Good to see you guys as well. Jimmy doing a Hulkamania. Joli a Hulkamania.
No.
She can't.
No, I can't.
No, she can do a Xena the Warrior.
No.
No? She can't. She doesn't want to make fun today, guys. Joli est vraiment. Oui, oui.
What if it means something disgusting?
No. Vraiment. People don't say disgusting things on my channel.
You never know what it means.
Brother, where you at? We are at our bar. Als je kinderen niet naar basisschool en de middelbare school wil sturen, maar een andere vrije manier van educatie, welke leuke opties zijn er? Galileo, check Galileo. Nowadays it doesn't call. It's not named Galileo anymore. There's a new name. Omnio. I will put the links down below the video. Take care. The Dominic, thanks for being there. Bam Bam London. John James Power. God bless everyone. Morgan. God bless. Where can you stake your USDT to get the best gain? Ooh, I think crypto.com still is nice. Back to the roots. Yes. Phew, veel te vroeg man. Yeah, sorry for that. How do you look back at the interview at POW? That's a very
Which
good
one
question.
was it?
POW was where this guy attacked you. Where you were in it as well. Where he
Ah,
attacked
that
you.
one.
Yeah, you don't go to school. You only jump in pools. Retarded guy attacked you. That's what I should say. How do you look back on that?
Well, wasn't it that he came afterwards to us and he asked you things?
Yeah, that's the guy. The slime ball.
Well, then
Morning.
I look back at it. Hi. That he was a very fake
Hey,
and
what the fuck
arrogant
is that?
person.
Check. Wait 1 second. Look, who's approaching our bar.
Oh, cute.
Can you
It
guys
has,
see that?
It has hair.
What is that?
Should I catch it?
What is it?
I don't know. Kind of looks like
A strange thing, huh? Did you see it, guys? It's a stork. It's not a stork. I
It
think
had kind of orange hair.
it had orange hair. It was a bird with orange hair. Bitcoin color hair. Hey, that's strange. Look what a beautiful thing. Yeah. Okay, where were we? Sorry for the... Yeah, it's a kind of a bird. The Bitcoin bird. Bam Bam bird. It's a stork. Pau is a partner. Yeah, Pau was kind of okay, but the guys with them, there was a Turkish guy that also writes for the Dutch news. I think he was a little bit retarded because he couldn't even speak like proper Dutch and all that stuff. But he thought that he should say that the kids should go to school. And then there was another guy that had an awful face. It looked like he never saw the sun before. He writes also for newspapers. That one was attacking the kids that they didn't go to school. But I think she behaved even more intelligent than that guy. And that is also what we said to him at the end of the show. We said, you are like stupid. We would not want our kids to be like you. Because if you go to school, you turn out like you. You think you know everything better than everyone. You want to be better than everyone. You're arrogant and you attack people on television. Well, we were there to chat about beautiful things in life. So that guy is still not anymore at the show because the show doesn't exist anymore. We still exist. Okay? Take care.
Bon dia.
Bom dia. Ik wil helpen. You chat?
Oh, ja. Laat toch maar
Dat,
opnemen.
oké. Café?
Try. Any plans coming to Thailand? Maybe this winter we'll come to Thailand.
Good morning, prinsessa. Bom dia.
Buen día.
December time.
December. I see myself in 10 to 15 years.
Morning.
Hopefully I have kids in like a warm country, living my best life with a little family. I think in 10 to 15 years I'll probably have that. But first I need to travel.
Yes.
Want to?
€1.50.
We absolutely love it. We've been to Thailand a lot of times, so we do love it. We always go back in the winter.
I'll be back.
Visit Vienna. How many kids would you like? I don't know, I think 2, maybe 4. Not 0. Miss the Dutch festivals. The Dutch festivals are one of the best festivals, so I miss them a bit. Come visit Vegas. Hopefully I will one day visit Vegas.
Yes, we got invited by
Hopefully.
a guy that owns a huge penthouse there. You know, the guy that we
Yeah.
met in Mexico, the older guy. Yeah, he was an advisor of the president, one of the presidents of the United States, and he invited us to come to Las Vegas. Ah, now we have a lifeguard that is taking his wife to the beach. Good. Lekker. Yes, we will go to Vegas. Yeah, guy, Aurelius, I would like to visit all South America. I would like to visit all Africa. But at the moment, we are taking it easy because she and my other daughters and my wife, they wanted to take it a little bit more easy after 6 years of traveling like an idiot, like jumping from country to country. So now we are taking it a little bit more easy. But you need to piss? Her legs are hurting. Yeah, she's kind of old, huh? Yeah, it was like orange hair. What? A heron. Ah, a heron. Yeah, for me, still traveling. I would like to travel more. And at the moment, the family doesn't want to travel as much. So, you know, we need to find the middle way, and the middle way is by slow traveling. But I would love, man, my bucket list is so long you won't even believe it. Yeah, have you been to Croatia?
Yeah. With the camper.
Yeah, with a camper. Yeah, beautiful country. I think very beautiful sea. I didn't like the part that there's no sandy beaches, but I did like the people, the food, and all that stuff.
Can you still stand?
Yeah. Russia. It's too cold. Okay, now it's summer. They told me to go to St. Petersburg because that should be a very beautiful town. Maybe in the future. The thing with Russia is they block us because we're from the Netherlands and because there was this airplane that was shut down or whatever. So if we want to go to Russia, we need to do this visa application. And for us, it's impossible because on the visa application to Russia, they ask your bank account and your income. And we all don't have bank accounts or income, so we are not allowed to come into Russia. Morning. If you need water or coffee, just say so.
Okay, thank you.
So that's our problem. A heron. The bird was called a heron. Do you want to go to South Africa? Yes. We would love to go to South Africa. Have you visited Santorini?
No. Right?
No.
No.
It's a small Greece island, I think. No, we haven't been to Santorini. Heron. Check if that was the bird. New Zealand! Wow, New Zealand, that's far away, eh? We have people,
That's like 16 hours difference or something.
they watch us from New Zealand. That's like massive. People watch us from New Zealand. Good morning, New Zealand!
Thoughts about Bali? I love Bali, but now that we have a small dog, it's a bit hard to get into Bali. But we do want to go back.
It's not difficult. You need to know the right people and then we get the dog in. It was maybe a heron, yes.
Is it?
Could it be that
Oh,
one?
yeah.
Yeah. We were just visited by a heron, but then with orange hair. It was a Bitcoin heron.
Greetings from Nepal, even.
Nah, Nepal? Nepali! We want to visit Nepal. We want to do a hike over there. Maastricht. Maastricht.
I've been to Maastricht
Voor
a
Willem
lot.
Scala.
What do you need to do for a Portuguese passport? I would not know.
Invest a few $100K. Pippi Island. Yes. Oh, we've been there many times. We love Pippi Island, but I was there before the tsunami. So probably a lot of things changed now. So we have people watching from Nepal. We have people watching from New Zealand. We have people watching from Koh Phi Island, Thailand. Maastricht. That's a lot of different places in the world, huh?
From the UK.
Can I enter? I don't know if I can enter Nepal. It's still difficult, I think. Tilburg, Brabant, jongen. Tilburg, Brabant, dat is die van die buurbal. Nee, dat zijn die andere, hè. Zonder vuurbal, jongen. Flevoland. Flevoland is not Legoland. That's a different part
Yeah, I
of
know.
it.
Goedemorgen.
I think you need glasses, huh?
Yeah.
You can also put the camera closer. Do you like Verstappen? What a stupid question. Of course we like Verstappen. He's Bybit. Bybit is paying Verstappen. Of course, he's the best talented racer I've ever seen in Formula One. What's not to like about Verstappen? Ah, finally for the girls we have two handsome guys coming in. Yes.
Hello.
Hi.
2 coffees, please.
Coffees?
Yes,
The small?
yes.
Oh, yeah.
The small, yeah.
Yeah, I need something for my eyes because I can't read the
And my friend
comments
is asking
when
me
I
to
sit
borrow
down.
the book he brought this with the mark.
But I'm scared to do a laser treatment,
This
so
Yeah,
You want to read it?
yeah. It started yesterday.
This one. Look,
the most annoying things while
our
traveling.
lifeguards are reading these kind of books. So they're not saving lives only, like in the sea, but they also will save their own life by buying Bitcoin.
But what, like I was saying, the most annoying thing from traveling is probably the traveling, like flying all the time, taking boats, taking trains. That's pretty annoying. Goedemorgen. Where should I put 10k into? I am not gonna say anything because I don't know. We're in Lagos at Maya Praia beach. No, I'm not gonna do anything to my eyes. It's fine. I can still see properly, only the comments. So I'm not gonna do a laser treatment. I'm just gonna wait till I'm old. How was to go back to your hometown? You mean Holland? Venlo? It was fun. Did a lot of, met a lot of friends again. Family.
tiver muito calor e muito vento é complicado, não dá pra botar o moletom.
The essential thing in your Bitcoin story, the feeling of freedom it gives you, or the bond you build as a family. Ooh, both. Of course, it makes a bond as a family, but it also makes your daughter hate you because you sometimes force them to travel. They are pupils, ups and downs. But the freedom you feel and to be able to give your family whatever they need at the moment that they want it, that's beautiful. Like living wise, not like material stuff, but I think freedom. To be able to leave Portugal or any country when they force you to wear a face mask and then go with your family to a place where the kids are allowed to breathe, not with a face mask, you know? That's what I think the freedom is very important.
Let me see. What's the most valuable lesson you learned from the way your parents raised you? Probably to be grateful for everything, because we've been to like Vietnam, Cambodia, to a lot of poor countries, seen a lot of poor kids of my age at that time on the streets asking for money, so I've learned to be grateful for everything I have.
You need to drink a lot of water because else you will look as me. Didi, what about the J-Punks? Yeah, we all own J-Punks. I have about 15 J-Punks. Joli has 2 J-Punks, the Jurassics. So yeah, we still have them. I will hodl them still and wait for the next bull run for them to see if they increase in value. Then I will sell a few.
Thank you, see you in a bit.
Ciao, see you later. Then I will sell a few punks. Oh, sorry, this 15 is a little bit too many.
I already answered that question.
Which one?
What's the most valuable lesson you've learned?
Wow, what was the answer?
to be grateful for everything.
Oh,
that
that's
I
why I
have.
love her. Oh, I love my daughter so
Oh no,
much.
don't hug me in the morning.
Ah, I love her so much. The best place to retire with crypto depends on how much crypto you have. If you don't have too much crypto, it is Thailand. If you have a lot of crypto, it could be also be Portugal. Yes, JPEGs we still have. Did you put the artwork in your home? No, in the bar, guys. Check. It's in the bar. Everyone that goes to the bar here sees our artwork. The best place of the bar. We will pay it at home when we leave the bar. Maya Praia Beach, yes. Didi, you're amazing, brother. You're the first person I showed my friends on the television a few years ago. Keep up your fantastic work.
Down.
Why does my thing doesn't work?
You need to do it on your laptop, maybe.
I don't have it with me. Thank you guys for watching, and we just keep doing what we do, what we like to do. Bitcoin, I sent you a DM, Didi, hopefully Glacium. Okay, I will read it. Live stream. That's why I want as many passports. Yeah, passports are always cool. We have residencies, so that's enough for us. The residency makes you be able to go to many countries as well when the shit hits the fan. Why are you still working in a bar? Oh, what a stupid question. Frank van Schip. Why do we still work in a bar? Okay, I'm gonna answer this very simple. Maybe then you will understand. Are you listening, Frank? First, the answer to that is 6 years of doing nothing but making YouTube videos makes you want to do something again. That's the first thing. Now the second thing is, sometimes it looks from the outside that people are doing something, but then on the back they are doing something bigger. So, for example, you think and you see that we are working in a bar, while on the back we are creating the biggest Bitcoin beach of Europe. Which means that this bar is not the only place on this beach that's now accepting Bitcoin, but by now we already converted 5 other bars, restaurants, sailing clubs and adventure parks to accept Bitcoin as well. So single-handed by the family, we created Bitcoin Beach Europe, which has been documented now in the news, which has been documented by the television, which has been documented by articles, and it will soon be promoted in all the world, and then the world will understand that El Salvador is not the only Bitcoin beach anymore with the black sand and a few food stands that accept Bitcoin, but that now one of the most touristy, beautiful beaches of Europe, Maya Praia and Lagos, is a Bitcoin beach as well. So that is the vision we have. And then when we have the full acceptation of Bitcoin on the beach, then the next step to educate people will be introduced, and that is decentralizing this bar, tokenizing the bar, and building the bar community built on a DAO, where the community owns the bar and all the other places on the beach, and where the community creates a Bitcoin-driven beach. And then when we as a community own a Bitcoin-driven beach that's built on a DAO where we can anonymous vote on everything that happens and anonymous do proposals whatever happens, then you created a small part of the world that is a representation of how the whole world should be looking like. And that is a decentralized way where the people have the power, and we took the power back from the centralized organization by tokenizing the world and building it on a DAO. And that's how we start small and we grow into a huge, huge thing in the future. At least that's our vision. And we think, third of all, that was the second, and third is we just love the beach life. I love to be on the beach every day. I come to the beach in the morning, I drink my coffee, I make my YouTube show and then I go for my Thai massage, then I go back and drink another coffee, and then I'm looking at bikinis all day long. So I don't think that there is a better life at the moment for me than that. So that was the answer to Frank's question. I hope you really enjoyed it. I hope you also agree with it. If not, then ask another question. The thing is, people really don't understand what we are doing mostly, but that's why the story stays interesting, because every time we are probably like 5-6 years ahead of what other people are thinking, and they still think then it's impossible, and then 5 years later they realize oh shit, it is possible. And that's everything we do. We just envision other stuff, we manifest other stuff, we try to live other ways, to discover other ways of living, and by living by example, then we show that it is possible. And then maybe people will follow the footsteps that want to live the other life, and other people maybe don't want to follow the footsteps, which is also, of course, a good way. But you know, everybody needs to do their life like the way they want. This beautiful daughter of mine is now 17. Next year she's 18. Maybe she will decide to spread her wings. Maybe she will decide to open a Bam Bam Beach in Bali. You know, we can. We already have requests for 7 other Bam Bam Beach bars. So we had requests out from Albufeira, Silves, Bali, Thailand, Netherlands, and there was one more, a very strange one. I think it was somewhere on Waikiki or something. Oh no, Hawaii, that one. So we will see where this ends. But you always start small, and then you think big, and then you grow big, and then you decentralize it, and then we left another legacy, the Bitcoin beach in Portugal. So the beach is being a side of the beach. We are going to convert a hotel probably into a Bitcoin hotel. We are doing the last a few meetings about that. We are also probably going to build a Bitcoin village in Portugal here in this area. So then we will have a Bitcoin village, a Bitcoin beach, a Bitcoin hotel. I think it would be the first time ever in the world that has been beautifully started in a country that also has 0% tax on Bitcoin. So that's like very important. I think I deserve some coffee now or not? Yeah, now I deserve coffee. Now Joli takes over again. Bali Bitcoin Beach. I'm gonna do it in the Kuta beach with all the Kuta surf dudes.
Where do you look to rent a house? What do you mean?
Bitcoin cocktail. We even have Bitcoin beer, guys. For the ones that ask for the Bitcoin cocktail, we have Hop to Flow Bitcoin beer. It's a normal Bitcoin can. It's brewed in the Netherlands, especially for Bitcoiners. 21 mil Hop to Flow Bitcoin beer. I don't think anyone else in the world is selling it yet. Sorry, I interrupted you again.
Yeah.
I keep interrupting you.
How did you make friends with kids while you're traveling so much? It wasn't that hard, especially when I was younger. You make friends all the time, so it wasn't hard. Now, now it's a bit hard because I'm 17.
She's lying.
No, it's not.
Now you just go partying and you make friends all
Yeah,
night.
okay, but those
Like-
are friends for a night. No.
One night stand friends.
No, not those kind of friends. Just like a partying friends.
But real good friends.
Real good friends. It's
BFFs.
a bit hard.
Yes, BFF.
Yeah, I do have my best friends still. They're back in Holland. And they visit me a lot, so. Snappy, cool. I do get Bitcoin. It's just I don't know all the technical things that my dad knows. Yeah, I've been to school. I've been to high school for 3 months and then I stopped with school. So that was the last school I went to. Yeah, I do own Ethereum.
Still hoping for Vitalik to do a shout out, but he is not doing it. Last time I did the we went above 200 viewers. We were not getting above 200 this time. That's strange, isn't it? Black, yes, I do have black coffee. Black coffee in the morning. Thank you, MM.
What kind of class have you been taking with Galileo? Do you like it? Well, you don't really take classes with Galileo. It's like you have a teacher and you tell her what you want to learn. She helps you with it, and that's it. It's not really that they do have some classes, but like in English and in reading, writing, and a lot of workshops.
Galileo just changed their name, to be very clear. Galileo is now Cubrio, so they are changing the whole thing to Cubrio.
No, I forgot to read. Goedemorgen. What do you think of? That's the coin we. I don't like it because my dad doesn't like it.
Yeah,
I've never really like deep myself into it, but it's
my
just.
community already understands it. They are already saying, bah, it's a bank coin, yeah. So I don't like it. She does it, yeah.
You like 23-year-old.
You look like 23.
Oh, you look like.
I think. Is that a compliment or like?
I don't know if that's.
How does it feel?
compliment.
Yeah, Raven coin is okay. BSV. If they would have another frontman, I would maybe like the technology. But the frontman is not nice. Don't know. Oh, what is that? One day I will have a Bitcoin conversation with you. Didi, don't know when or where, Bali, Bali or Thailand. To be very clear, guys, some people are coming to get a smoothie. Okay, to be very clear, yesterday or the day yesterday I received a text of a guy or a family that texted me on Instagram. Hey, Didi, we just saw your family in town, and it felt like meeting. Like when he was young, he was always wanted to meet football players, football stars, and now he was like he's following YouTubers as well, and he's like, well, it felt like meeting the guy I always, but it felt so strange. He didn't want to say hello to us, or he was like shy. So I told him back, next time please say shy, because we always love to get to know new people and all that stuff. So if you meet us, we're just normal people. You can say hi. You can also ask Joli's number, but then you first need to show your Bitcoin wallet to me, because if you don't have Bitcoins, even a tiny amount, 0.0001 Bitcoin, but you should be owning Bitcoins. But that's the thing that we do. Would there be a price? Would you be willing to sell? No, we will be using Bitcoins in the future, guys. Stefan and Simon, a smoothie with somebody is going to come and for a special smoothie. Or just plan to, you plan to hodl and you spend. We dollar cost average in and out. We spend Bitcoins and we earn Bitcoins. We don't have bank accounts. Yes, I like Cardano. Chris and Benny should come very soon. Chris and Barry, soon as fuck. Oh, humble? Yes, Julie is always humble.
We use Blue.
No, we accept Blue Wallet. We accept many other wallets, guys. Why do we use Bitcasa? Because Patrick is a very good friend of ours. I like what he has done for the Netherlands, for Arnhem Bitcoinstad, and many other companies in the Netherlands that accept Bitcoin. And I want to show my respect and support by integrating Bitcasa here in my bars, to show people how easy it is, and if they want a referral, then they can go to him, because I just don't have time to educate people on how to integrate Bitcoin in their lives. We could also have used BitPay or coinpayments.net. There's many, but just we like to support Patrick and everything he did, because he also was, I say, criminalized by the Dutch government, because they forced them to do all kinds of regulations that banks should be doing, and as a small company that's not possible in the Netherlands, so I'm giving him support back. No, Radek, it was a joke. Of course, we understand it's a compliment. She looks beautiful. 23. Yeah, I'm still excited about Curl DAO. At least I'm hodling my Curl DAO. I'm waiting for the bear market to be over to see what happens. But I think it will be one of the projects in the new bull run that will be exploding. Thoughts about Magicraft? I didn't invest in it, but the guy that's behind it, he's a friend of mine. He even rented my house in Thailand for some time. Yeah, I haven't looked into the project too much, because I was already invested in too many gaming projects. So I didn't do Magicraft, but I think The guy, knowing the guy, it will be a very good project. Can you show us ocean? Look how beautiful the ocean is. It's very calm. Probably some dolphins now. Have a great day as well. Staking coins, Bitcoin. Hodling Bitcoin is the same like staking. If you hodl Bitcoin, your capital grows at 100% a year. It's like even more than staking. So just buy Bitcoin, hodl Bitcoin. That's like staking as well. And you hodl them in your own custodial wallet, so you don't have the risk of losing them to banks or companies or any other shit. 70 minutes already. People must really like you because the views are even going up. Yeah, like a ledger. How many Bitcoin necessary to retire? That depends on your life. People seem to forget one thing. When we went all in, you can ask her now because she's here to witness. Bitcoin was at 20k at the top, but then it crashed at 3k, and then we still have a shitload of Bitcoins, but we lived a minimalistic lifestyle to hodl as much as possible Bitcoins. So you live a few years like nobody wants to live, minimalistic, to then be able to live like everybody wants to live, in another way. So we did live on cheap places, we were like guest houses, small beach bungalows in Thailand for €6 a night. It was like camping, till Bitcoin went into the next huge bull run, and then of course our capital grew massively, which made it possible for us to go to luxury countries like Mexico. And now it's the bear market again, so we will visit cheap countries. So we just go with the flow of the Bitcoin rate and to not feel any devaluation, but we still feel deflation. And by doing it, they now know how to live a minimalistic lifestyle. They also now know how to live a materialistic lifestyle. And when she is 18, she can decide, or now already maybe, what kind of lifestyle she would prefer. She could choose for the materialistic part, like Paris Hilton, or like the minimalistic part, like a beautiful artist that, just earns and worries day by day. Something like that. BBR design. Over 20 BTC. Are we holding more than 20 BTC? Okay. We won't disclose the amount, but I can be very honest that yeah, it's a little bit more than 20 BTC. Or are you talking about Joli? Maybe
Yes.
then the question maybe is more clear. Okay. We live in Portugal since 2 months now.
No.
3 months now? Oh, the bar is 8 months. Yeah, 3 months now. And probably in December we will move to Asia. I think we will move to Asia. I promised them to be very clear. I promised my wife and my kids to stay maybe for 1 year at one place. Because, we traveled a lot and we want to just figure out if we want to open more bars and villages and all that stuff. Or if it gets too cold, probably we all feel the same feeling again of like, it's just back to Asia. Or lockdown or all that stupid stuff. Is my daughter single?
Yeah, I'm single.
Now the views will go like, she's single. This is an online dating show. Who wants to date my daughter? We don't disclose how many Bitcoins Joli has. Oh, I have.
I have enough.
Yes.
That's the only thing I'll say.
It's like not polite. How much do
I'm
you...
not gonna ask you how much you have in your bank account. That's just stupid.
Bam! That's why we call it the Bam Bam Beach Bar. Huur? No, I don't pay huur. For what?
Cost
Her.
of the house.
Ah, for the house. Yes, we pay rent in Bitcoin. Oh, that was a really cool one. Are you vaccinated? Oh my god.
No.
No. No.
I'm not
No.
vaccinated.
You will never be vaccinated. I think vaccinated is for the people that watch too much news. Ronaldo. Maybe that's the real Ronaldo, huh? Is it the real Ronaldo? 10 years too young. I hold more than 1 million Shibas.
I don't really care about your Shivas.
You need to be nice,
Yeah.
sweet, and lovely. That's more important. And preferably, you should not be vaccinated because else you don't fit in the family. You will feel a little bit awkward if you're vaccinated in our family because we make a lot of jokes on the dinner table. Yeah. So yeah, but there's a few things you should know because we are a very sarcastic family, and at our family dinners we talk about all that stuff. So if you are, it won't be fun. BTC online, wherever you want to buy it. I would buy on Kraken if you do KYC. Non-KYC, I would buy offline. Can you see Bitcoin going much lower this year? I don't see it happening yet. I see it happening when we break the previous low. Nobody has a glass ball. We can't predict the future. If you want to predict the future like a little bit, then you buy the Bam Bam indicator or something. If you want to buy it, go to the bitcoinfamily.com. We don't do any promotions on our channel anymore. People are not buying our indicator because we don't talk about it or we share it or we don't make strange screenshots. But we do have the indicator and we do have the links down below where you can join Bybit. And if you want to join Bybit, you get up to $4,100 bonus. After 76 minutes, I can say that. Okay, go to Bybit, click the links down below the video. Remeng, how was Dubai? Didi?
When were you in Dubai?
It's a long time ago.
It's really long.
No financial advice, but I have a small life insurance, 4% interest rate, old contract, I want to quit to put it into BTC. Yes, do it. I took my pension fund early, but I lost 40% of my pension fund by doing so. But at the end, I quadrupled it in a couple of months. And I think we are near the bottom, and maybe we can drop a little bit more. Even if we drop 30% or 20%, it doesn't matter because after that we will go times 7 or 8. So yeah, I would do that. And my wife would do it as well because else I wouldn't have done it because my wife is always the boss. I don't have anything to say in my relationship. 90% is vaccinated. Yeah, that's their problem. Maybe 90% wants to die early. I don't know. Non-KYC online? No, that's difficult. You need to find Telegram groups, but then you will probably be scammed. So the Bam Bam Beach Bar should be one of your goals to visit. Nice motorcycle riders. Yeah, but then more like inland. There's beautiful to Monchique and all those places, but there the roads are not as good, so you can have some holes here and there. So not the best motorcycle country, I think. Can I buy the Bitcoin beer online? Yes. The website is called. Then you can also see that we don't make a lot of profit on it. I forgot the website name, but I'm googling it now.
You can party in Lagos. There are a few
Yes.
clubs, bars.
I don't find the website now very quickly, but oh wait, maybe it's on again.
Is there any golf courses?
A lot, like a lot, like a lot.
No, I'm not really interested in trading. I've tried it. It's too much looking at the laptop and my phone, and no, I'd rather just hold all my bitcoins and everything else, and that's it. And it's a lot of stress when you trade. Don't want that.
No, I can't find the website. Why is that guys?
Yeah, I've thought about visiting Morocco, but never been there.
Check my Twitter. There somewhere I shared the link to the one that trades the beer. I think they are like €4 online, so we only make €1 profit. Approx. So for all those people that ask questions about how many bitcoins we have been filmed over 1.5 years now by one of the biggest companies in the Netherlands, and we are going to be filmed another 8 months, I think, and then that is going to be converted into a documentary that's going to be streamed on the biggest streaming platform of the world, of which we can't say the name. And there in the documentary, maybe at the end, you will find out how many bitcoins we have. So there will still be a secret till that point. I'm not saying it's Netflix. I'm saying it's the biggest, one of the biggest. It's the biggest one of the world. We didn't say any name. BlackRock is coming for your crypto. They should be paying like millions and millions of dollars for each Bitcoin we have. So
Who is BlackRock?
BlackRock is a company that owns all the world almost. So they own like a part of Superbank. They own a part of Ola. They own a part of Booking.com. So they are one of these giants. And that BlackRock is owned again by Bill Gates and all those like people that want to fuck us up with vaccinations. And short. I will show you a very good documentary with BlackRock and Vanguard and State Street, because those three companies are, in my opinion, kind of owned by the evil foundations, and they rule the world in the way they want. They even rule. So they own, in simple words, they own social media,
Yeah.
they own Google, they own television, they own newspapers, and they own all the companies. So they kind of have like this veto where they think they didn't like that we were. Think they didn't like that we were talking about that. We were like disconnected for a second over there. Yeah, those three companies and the State Street, they kind of do. So yeah. Yeah, we were just cut out of the feed because we were talking about that. That was a weird thing, eh? Oh, what do you think about what? Now, we don't do live trading on YouTube because we think that trading is not the most important thing in Bitcoin. Living the Bitcoin standard is the most important thing in Bitcoin. Being Bitcoin, breathing Bitcoin, sleeping Bitcoin, thinking Bitcoin, accepting Bitcoin, educating Bitcoin, converting the world into using Bitcoin, making the world more equal for all those people that don't have access to bank accounts and now can use the most equal money of the world, Bitcoin. That's what Bitcoin is about. Trading is nice, but then you should be following Indeed, Crypto Banter, Sheldon, The Moon, Crypto, Crypto. All these guys are doing very well in trading, and I will leave the trading to bots and all that other stuff, and I will do some weekly trades, and I do the TA because I love to educate you on what I think that you should be doing in Bitcoin price-wise, but I don't want to show trades. That was a €20 donation. I think that was a €20 donation by Navid S. Wow. Thank you so much. That's a lot of money, but that's also showing a lot of appreciation for what we do. We are very thankful and happy to do what we do, I think. And I would love to see these. That is, of course, a very beautiful way to show us that you appreciate what we're doing. Thank you so much. So a big shout out to Navid S for supporting everything we do with a €20 donation. We will have a round of beer. Thank you, Navid. We will give some beers. Of course, if you come here, you will of course get your first beer for free as well. These kind of donations are nice. Do we do beer or do we do cocktail or do we do nothing? Did you even taste the Bitcoin beer?
No, I don't like beer.
Yeah, I don't like beer as well, but this beer was really nice.
No, it's not.
It is. What do you like?
Cocktails. Oh, mom's calling.
Oh look, mom's calling. So she tried to call me, but I'm not answering because the thing is locked. Do you hear the reggae? Hop! Hey! Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2. Shiba Inu is the future. Okay. Do you have bots that's trading for you? Yes. Spot bots. I did use leveraged bots, but there were a few liquidations there. Liquidations we lost money and other people lost money. I didn't feel nice about that or good about it. It is not my fault, of course, because people choose to trade themselves. But still, it didn't feel right for me to be offering that kind of product. So now we changed it to a spot bot, which means it's completely in line with what I feel. It doesn't matter if you lose euro value, it matters if you lose Bitcoin. So with a spot bot, you cannot lose Bitcoin anymore. So if you want to use a spot bot, go to our family's Telegram or the Bitcoin family YouTube channel and you will find more information. Ah, so it did work? What?
Can I eat these?
Yeah, you can. Why not? There's your breakfast. We don't have breakfast.
This is not coming from yours.
Ah, she's bringing breakfast?
Yeah, but it's going to take a long time.
Why?
We're going to the store, get toasties, make them here, blah blah blah. So it's
Oh, that's gonna take a long time, guys. We didn't eat yet, and I'm working already since 8 o'clock in the morning, so our breakfast is chips.
yeah, but you can go back home.
Nah. Ah, perfect that the referral worked for Apex. Please, guys, be aware, apex.exchange. There's a link down below the videos. This is going to be a massive exchange in the future, in my opinion. It's already coming with new products very soon, so make sure you get into it now. The links are free. If you use my links, you get discount on trading and all that stuff. So make sure you use them, please. Yeah, Spotbot is better.
Tem café aqui?
Yeah.
Ah, English.
Yeah.
Mas espresso, but in the machine, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, that's two.
Yep, the bot will soon be online in Discord as well and everything, guys. I'm just finalizing the last step and then I will put on. Yes, Jim has a day off. Jim is doing some stuff because his wife is arriving, so he needs to clean the camper he's living in and all that stuff. So yeah. Tosti. We should have Tosti, but Jim doesn't want to sell Tostis. But soon we will sell Tostis. That's how it always goes. Yeah, I will stream. I will keep streaming. We always stream.
One is shorter. One coffee, shorter.
I've done 2 pieces. It's fine.
She wants to help
Yes,
on that one.
but yes, yes.
Third one you fill. Yeah, dat leg ik allemaal. Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. In Portugal, Meia Praia. This is Meia Praia. Soon Bitcoin Beach. Breakfast, chips. Yeah, we have chips as breakfast now. Yeah, I'm using the spot bot already, but I will share the results soon.
Yes, that's fine. Yes.
Have a nice day as well, Michael. Thanks for viewing the live stream.
Enjoy it.
Bye.
Bye bye. There's nobody on the beds yet, huh? It keeps amazing me that people, so they, yeah. Is this your beach shop? No, this is a sort of we have a sort of a beach bar, guys, going on. Check. So this is the famous fridge we have, our famous Bitcoin beach fridge. Check. Bitcoin is going to the moon, and then we have this moon guy, but we also have the sticker, of course, of the first transaction ever. Check how cool that one is. You can even see the message. Times 03 January 2009. Again, Chancellor of Brink, the second bailout. And we have this one. So we have that one over there. The end of money. We have this one. BitcoinClothing.eu. We have Tulum Crypto Club in the house. We have this beautiful one over there. Of course, the Brave browser. Of course, Bitcoin, inflation is theft, use crypto please. Bitcoin, exit fiat. You have this beautiful sticker over there. Stack sets hodl. We have 21 million. We have a lot of Bitcoin caps, of course. Also the Bitcoin beach one. I should take that home. And then we have a beautiful Bitcoin art piece. Bam Bam Beach. And what do we more have Bitcoin? Of course, we have the Bitcoin Red in the house. The Bitcoin Red is at our place. We have Bitcoin Bob. Yeah, he's smoking weed all day. We have that beautiful art piece given by the Bitcoin tribe to us. We have the 21 million art piece. We are having Bitcoin books for you on the beach, so you can read some Bitcoin books. The Bitcoin bottles, that one is also Bitcoin. And then we have the beautiful beach with a beautiful view, which of course is the most important part. And we have our breakfast, Pringles, and we have our beers, of course. And when you want beer, you of course drink Infinite Bitcoin beer. Check, check, check. Ah, scammer again. Thank you for being a scammer. Hide user on this channel. Yeah, sorry for the scammer, guys. Yeah, the end of money. Do you like it? The end of money. Yes. Some kind of YouPorn scammer. Closer for you.
Yeah.
Yeah, Joli needs a glasses, I think.
Yeah, we'll be here in September. Or not.
Why not?
No, maybe it's getting cold or something. I almost fell. This chair is lovely.
I don't have my books here. I should have somebody bring or send me the books. Yeah. At least 100k.
We could start ASMR.
ASMR.
No, that's disgusting.
Yeah. That's how Joli wants to look.
No, not like that. I just want a bit full on lips.
I think the ETH merge is good for the ETH people. I think ETH is good, the merge for the ETH people that support ETH. But we are not like, I'm in Bitcoin, and ETH is good to decentralize the world, so that's why I support projects that are built on ETH. If the merge is successful, I don't know, we will see, I think next year, then we will have a clear image of how successful ETH was. Yes, of course I remember you, Radio Jones. You gave me a t-shirt, you gave me games. Of course I remember you and your family. Thank you so much again for visiting us. So soon you will visit us again. Morning.
Bye.
You speak English or Portuguese?
English.
You cannot speak Portuguese?
No, you speak English or Portuguese?
Yeah, English is also good. So we want
12 euros for a day.
we want, please.
Thank you.
We want a head with 2 chairs.
Yeah, it's 12 euros. Yeah. You can choose yourself which one you want.
Oh yeah? Okay, nice. I don't know if you want like that.
whatever you prefer. Ja?
It's good for you?
It's just 12.
Nou, dan kan je met de rest.
Ja, zeker.
Ja, but then you
Ja.
listen to 12.
Ja, dat bedoel ik.
12.
You are
zijn
the,
Nederlanders.
Ja, man.
Ja.
So we also speak Dutch
you
and
live
German.
there.
We live in the Netherlands.
Yeah.
Where?
We are just here for vacation. Yeah.
Zeeland.
In Zeeland.
No, but
Oeh.
no. 12 and a half, yeah?
No, just 12.
12.
It's
Oh,
just 12.
Sorry, I don't know why I get that. Sorry.
Morning. What? Bathroom. No, the closest
you.
bathroom is there in that building. Shower and bathroom. Zeeland. En waar in Zeeland? Waar?
Why?
Waar in Zeeland?
Ja, vlakbij Vlissingen.
Ah, bij Vlissingen. But you're not Dutch, you're
No,
Portuguese.
we are
we are
Portuguese.
But living in the Netherlands.
Yeah.
11 years already.
Why? Okay.
Yeah. Economy. To live here, it's hard to
Yeah,
live
difficult?
here. Yeah.
Oh, we left the Netherlands 6 years ago.
I'll talk to you
we don't like
because
the
my dad is
government.
talking to some other
Really?
We
people.
don't like the government, how they treat people. For us, that's why we left. A lot of people from the Netherlands escape the Netherlands. They go there.
Yeah.
We always find it strange that people want to live there. I'm like, why would you want to live in the Netherlands?
Yeah, if you
Yeah,
look
like
for
Limburg.
how much money you get a month,
But how much do you need to spend a month?
Also,
yeah. In the end of the month you have more than in Portugal.
Yeah?
Yeah.
depends on what,
What
you
you do.
do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you go to a supermarket,
Need to install.
100 euros per month, yeah, it's better be there. Depends, you know.
Yeah, I don't know. We just were 2 months in the Netherlands again. I think the Lidl and the groceries are 30% more expensive than here. So that's like, yeah, for us, Netherlands, and then you pay 60% tax here almost.
20 euros for all day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's expensive,
20
but
for the
still,
batch,
we
you mean?
pay-
It's 12.
Better
If we
for you.
compare with
Yeah.
our family, we are good there.
Yeah.
At least for now. The
Oh,
kids
what do you
born
mean?
there, so
Yeah, beautiful.
we
Yeah.
see how we do later.
Yeah, it's just good to see that people also go that way. And
Yeah.
we all want to go this way.
It was a pleasure. Bye.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Pinky is not here yet.
She's late, Pink. So, that's very interesting, guys. So these guys are from Portugal, but they prefer living in the Netherlands. We are from the Netherlands, but we prefer living in Portugal. So that's a upside down world. It was very interesting.
Yeah, she's back in Albufeira.
Ooh,
Lizzie,
man.
somebody asked, hi Julia. Dan ga je nog een keertje met Liz stappen. If she's back in Albufeira.
Who's Tommy?
Don't know.
Then it's Mario. Ah, the other Lizzie, Mario. Mario, the guy who was here with his daughter that slept with you.
Yeah.
At you.
Yeah.
I thought he was talking about Lizzie. Lizzie van Venna.
No,
They are coming next week. Are they not coming?
I don't know. What's a bargain? Or am I stupid for asking that?
Bargain?
Die €12 voor 2 chairs and a parasol is a bargain.
Bargain. Yes, cheap.
Ah,
It's a koopje.
I don't know
Bargain.
that.
Yeah. So we are just here not to make millions. We are here to just spread the worth of Bitcoin. Halle Bitcoin. Yeah, these poor people were from Portugal and they like, oh, we want to live in the Netherlands because we earn more there. But I think the cost of living in the Netherlands is also like triple the cost of living in Portugal. So you can earn the triple as much as maybe as in Portugal, but then again the cost of living is also 3 times as high. And then you live in the Netherlands. You have like 4 seasons: rain, snow, all the cold shit. While you could be living in Portugal on the beach. Maybe there's not enough jobs here or something, but I just don't understand. That's why I don't understand Turkish people. I don't understand Moroccan people. I don't understand African people. I don't understand Suriname people. I don't understand all people that come from these amazing, beautiful countries with a massive, beautiful history, with beautiful cultures, with good food, with good weather. Why the fuck would they move to the Netherlands? To support the Netherlands in collecting tax so that motherfucker... Oop. I couldn't say that. I can't say that.
Oh.
So that the king and all those serpents there in the government can spend their taxes on speedboats and all that stuff. I don't understand it. So maybe I don't understand people. Maybe I'm the weird guy. Sorry, it's not the people. It's me.
Well,
I just really don't understand it. And then the weirdest part is then you go from Portugal to live in the Netherlands, but then you go for holiday on Portugal. Yeah, that's the only thing we can eat at the moment because we both forgot to take breakfast. Exactly, with the farmers. You know? The farmers built the Netherlands. Not only built the Netherlands, they also paid taxes to build the Netherlands. And then the farmers paid a shitload of taxes, and they need to do the shit of adjustments in their companies. Millions of dollars they lost because of that. And then in the end, the government stabs them in the back. That's what the Netherlands does. It stabs the people in the back that build up the country. And then the government sends the police after the farmers, while the fucking farmers build and are paying the police. That's what is happening in the
I
Netherlands.
need to make it be real.
Oh shit. Yeah, I can't make it be real because I'm live with you guys. I don't know. I can't get my head around these kind of things. But
Why is it not posted?
kijk maar even terug. Waarom moet ik terugkijken? Yeah, sorry. Normally we eat healthy, but now she's making me eat chips.
I don't eat healthy.
Do you understand Didi people? Yeah, Greece. We've been to Greece. Crete. We loved Crete. On Crete there's a small village called Bali. That's the part we like, the more quiet part of Crete.
Niks te yeah. We have nothing different to eat at the
Not yet.
bar than chips. And my mom is bringing toasties, but that will take another hour, so I need to eat now.
It's terrible, huh?
We're
Chips.
drinking way too much coffee.
Yeah.
We call them crisps.
Crisps.
We call them chips.
We call them Pringles
Yeah, but those are chips.
or crisps.
De beeld is beter, ja.
Oh, zo gaat die, hè? Kijk,
Is
zie
dat
je
het?
zacht. Yeah, of course it's better. It's a younger version of me. When I was young, I looked even more better.
You didn't.
I did.
You wish.
I did. Ugly pill.
Better than insect based. Well, it tastes good, so I don't really care what's in it. Bonjour. Jij bent zeker in de periode. No, I just get really cranky when I don't eat.
Not only when she doesn't eat.
No, I only get cranky when I haven't eaten in a long time.
Yeah, there are some other ways that she gets cranky as well, but let's not talk about that now. So for rich people it's easy to live in Portugal. For poor people it's not easy to live in Portugal. Okay. So yeah, happiness is still focused on how rich you are. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, social facilities are better in the Netherlands. Yeah, they are so good that if you want to go to a hospital, you need to wait 3 months to get even into the hospital. Yeah, they are amazing. Yeah, it is.
It's called
Yeah.
hangry. Yeah.
Much more work in the Netherlands. Yes, that's why nobody has a job. Yeah. Sorry, Grumpy. Like, Why is it not possible for the grumpy or some vendor? So why can't those people find people to work? Can have no money and be happy. Yes, exactly, Ruud. Waar kun je het beste wonen? Wherever you are happy.
Maybe surf.
Oh, the music stopped.
Can you show the view one more time? I'll show it if I can. Yeah. This is the view. Okay, that's view. Amazing. Wait, I can't read it. Heeft je vader ook gegeten? No.
Shit. Where is this place? Could it be heaven? The Bitcoin beer, what hops are in it?
What's hot?
Zeeuws craft beer. It has a very Bitcoin color. It's a golden color. Can I see what hop is in it? This is in it. I don't know what it means, but that's in it.
Can I see? What's hops?
Welk hop, welk graan, welk soort hop zit erin?
Place is heaven. That's it.
Dutch bargain. What is it? I don't know. You should taste it. Maybe you can tell me. What's €1 by Didi? Ah, that's a good one. We need to bring back Superbok. Yeah, Jim doesn't want to sell Superbok. He wants to sell
Sagers.
no Sagers and the other
Crystal.
Crystal. I don't want to sell Crystal. Crystal is too cheap for me. I don't want to give my people cheap beers. So I will get some Superbok again. Till now we stayed a lot in Koh Phangan in Thailand. But I think next time probably Phuket because there's a little bit more life. Bon dia! Morning! I don't like Sagers. Yeah, I should bring you a Superbok. Water, yeah. Yeah, 6.9% is a strong beer. Time for a nice jointje, good grumpy. Yep, I think, are we gonna continue or are we gonna stop? 160 people, 140 thumbs up.
No, we don't go to school.
School is poison for your brain. Yeah, doctor earned €1,000 a month, yeah. Where?
1,000?
Where?
I thought they made more.
Yeah, normally, but I don't know which country he's talking about. It's possible. You know, it's a lot of people that think altcoin season looming. I think Bitcoin needs to run first. People want us to continue. It is quietly still.
It's only 10 in the morning, so.
People will arrive late.
Let's see. Can I post more pictures on Snapchat? I don't know. Maybe. Als geen te zon tenminste. Ja.
You're tired?
Yeah, I'm tired. I woke up at like 7:30.
Yeah, it's really early.
It's not my time to wake up.
No.
Yeah, we did. Went to Splat and Splash and we went to aqua show.
You got sick there, huh?
Yeah, you could be a model. Thank you.
Model though. Wow. No, Jim is not working today. His wife is arriving from the Netherlands, so he's cleaning his camper and all that stuff. So that's what Jim is doing. Didi, I'm a model. I could be. Look, if I lose a little bit
Yeah.
more weight, you would just want to swallow the words. You could be a model.
But
Hey, if I lose weight, then I will blow away all the models. They will be gone, gone. Maybe I look like a model more. Nowadays, I need to look like this for a model.
can also do this.
That's a model. A model. A monster. Jan Veen. En dan hier Jan Veen. Pam, je haar danst.
When you look up, you don't have to unlock it.
Hè? When you look up, you don't have the onderkin. Oh shit, do you have onderkin already? Oh wait. I don't have an onderkin. I look like a Rikke Helwegen. Allee, it's more like this, huh? Yes, 0%. New massage. I thought I heard Teddy. Luckily it isn't. How low will BTC go? Low. I think we already saw the low, guys. 17k, in my opinion, was very low. 17,600, 8,000. So that was a really low. So why would we go lower? That's a 72% crash. We didn't see a blow off top, so the crash could be like less than normally as well. So maybe that was the low. Warning. Blijf gewoon zoals je bent, Didi. Nee, I need to lose a little bit more weight. And then, look. Now I look like this. And then I will look like this. I know people coming. Where are the bikinis? It will go lower. Anything I get into gets jinxed. Okay. Do it. You can buy even more. Bitcoin goes lower, they pay even more for the more sets for the beers here. Just imagine how many stacks we're setting, sets we're stacking here in the Beach Bar. It says that people want Bitcoin to go lower. I don't know why would people want Bitcoin to go lower? Why? Because they didn't get in early enough. You should be buying more. Don't focus on 30%, 20% dips. Focus on 700% bull runs. That's what you should do. Up. Rasti Rostelli en je hebt nog wat extra inkomsten. Ja, I can predict the future and I can hypnotize you. Didn't he go bankrupt or didn't he flee? What? Is he calling you? You were filming me. My daughter filmed me drunk last night and now she's sharing it on her TikToks. That's terrible. Joli, you like baanvrouw leuker or trading? Do you like baanvrouw or trading?
Barco. I don't like trading. I like hodling though.
I will check for you. Check for me. Check for me. What is your thoughts about Bitcoin in Thailand? It has always been going up. When I was there, the people were accepting a lot of Bitcoins, and Dash was very popular in Thailand and Bangkok. Probeer je dochter te overtuigen om niets met haar lippen te doen.
I'm gonna do it anyways.
No.
Yes, I am.
No, fuck off. You're not gonna do the lips. You don't want to be a fake
No,
fake
but
shit
just a
bitch.
bit Botox and the lips. It's
No,
not.
you're not gonna do that. Why?
It's my own body.
Yeah, why would you want to ruin your lips? They're
No,
beautiful.
just no.
Okay, please.
No, don't.
Yes
ask
or
them.
no? Should she do something with her lips? Yes or no?
Huisarrest.
Ja, huisarrest. Here, I already have the tie rips. I think that was very clear. There's not one yes.
Okay, I'll see when I'm
Look,
18.
wait, no. Please continue the nose. Because
I'm
she's
not
fucking
gonna listen
retard.
to their opinion.
You're retard. You're not gonna do anything with your lips. You're crazy, man. Don't do that. You're ruining. Like, I have never seen so many no's. You're 50 years. Yes, hell no. No. They have tits. Yes, tits. Yes. Now, just don't listen to Daddy, but to all the people that are telling you not to do it. That's way more important.
We'll see.
Morning.
Hello, good morning.
Geen albuferen meer.
Can I
Heel
help you
fake.
guys?
I just
Yeah,
like
we
the
like to
look
rent
of a bit full
umbrella.
lips.
Yeah.
That's why.
Two umbrellas
too
with one
full,
shade,
not
it's
like
12 euros.
Totally fake, just a bit.
Umbrella plus two shorts. Yeah. 12 euros.
12 euros.
We're going to take two. Umbrella and 4 shirts.
You need 4 or you need 3?
4.
Okay, perfect.
Duck lips natural is
So
so
it's
much
24
nicer.
euros.
We'll see. I'm 17, so I can't do it anyways now. Still need to be 18.
You can
Just
pay
hold
by
the list.
card.
No,
I
only
will.
cash or Bitcoin. And we prefer Bitcoin.
Great, I don't
That's how it starts.
24, italiano.
Guarda, 24 euro.
And when I say yes to people, then they will not do it. That's true. But it's your body. Get a tattoo, you will regret it. Yes, I do have tattoos.
You
You have full lips.
can I help you with something else. You can choose yourself
Okay.
which bets you want. For me, the gray ones, they are new words, so they are, I think they are done. But some people like to have the yellow ones.
Stop playing an instrument like a trumpet.
okay.
The
No,
gray ones are new.
Are new.
that doesn't
Okay.
help.
I prefer gray.
Okay. Any time? Yeah.
And the toilet there at the yellow building is toilets and showers.
Okay.
So that's
Perfect.
community toilet and showers.
Thank you.
The biggest toilet is there, the blue
Botox is like vaccination.
And the most cleanest toilet is there in the juice.
No, but okay.
Sometimes we will pass by and then if you want
Yeah,
some
I
drinks,
will for
just
sure
shout,
wait
"Hey,
for
can
you,
you
yeah.
get me a drink?"
Only 17.
Okay.
but-
Thank you very much.
Have a beautiful day.
Bye bye.
And was it still nose?
Yeah.
Yeah. She shouldn't do it. But she won't do it because the lips are too beautiful to ruin it. Then she gets this. Then she looks like this.
No, I won't look like that. Just like a bit fuller. Stop it. It's just creepy.
Yeah, but that's how you will look creepy if you do that with the lips. No duck face, because then you become a fuck face. Yeah, the nose. You should do the nose, eh? Because you shouldn't look like this. Ja jongen, luister naar die oude jongen. Fill the bags, not the lips. Stacking sets. Hey, I see Oman coming. Oman coming. She's coming.
Oh, maybe she got me
Quiet.
some
Don't talk
food.
about her. Don't talk about it. Stop talking about Oman. She's coming. She can hear us already. You see? Ah, I can no bikini. This morning I tried to spoon again, but again she didn't want to be spooned.
You won't kiss better either.
No, you can't kiss anymore because your lips are
You
stuck.
can kiss.
No, you can kiss. It doesn't. It doesn't even feel natural to kiss a
Okay.
blown lips. Yeah. Why do you have these ideas?
Social media, of course. It's just.
Ah, she's admitting now. When we say it, she attacks us. It's not social media.
Yeah, of course it's social media. That's
She wants to be perfect.
influences you.
She's already perfect. I created it. If I create something,
Nobody
it's
is
perfect. I created perfectness. That was really funny.
Hello. 2 coffees, please.
Espresso?
Yeah.
The biggest, the small one. She just asked the people if they should change their lips, and they all said no. Of course not. Here, another beautiful woman coming in.
Bom dia. Thank you.
This is the one that woke me up, non-spooning. Yeah? Yeah, no, I just...
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah. Now she says good morning. This morning she said go.
Don't be.
Yes.
Yeah.
Don't be. We had breakfast, we had chips.
Roel is driving to the store, to the shopping, to get some toys.
Goedemorgen Romain, goedemorgen Romain, goedemorgen. Mark Nijhuis says Toasty will be in. Beter één vogel in de lucht dan in de lucht dan 10.
Cappuccino's voor?
Ja, dat is.
Ja, zoals ligt dan een cappuccino.
My wife wants cappuccino.
Ja, iets van melk. Ik kan ook een koffie met melk. Kan nou, die espresso. 3 euro. Doe maar een cappuccino. Joe, heb je dingen te drinken? Heuf niet, leuk. Even kijken.
Oh, je past zo een kleine beker, of niet?
Ja, jump tegen brand.
Is zo klein.
Oh, we zien,
Altijd dan eerder op slappen.
we zien gewoon nog live en ik zit met mijn kont in beeld.
What?
I thought you stopped the live and I was turning and I was with my ass in
Yeah,
the
but that's
camera.
why we get more views. Oh, I need to teach you everything, eh? Or were you touching your own ass in
No, I was literally just walking like this and then I was like, oh shit, we're still live.
Yeah. We have another guy that wants to come into the live. Oh. Nah. Hup, bam.
Something to drink.
Somebody is giving 10 euros
It's
because
again
you,
the same one.
yeah, just because you showed your ass.
Thank you.
Unbelievable. I need to talk for 2 hours, Navid. For a new spoon. Yeah, I don't. Maybe I will buy a spoon. It's better. Yeah, because my wife doesn't want a spoon, so he gives me 10 euros to buy a new spoon. Spoon.
Didi, have you smoked pot today?
What?
Yeah, you
No,
did.
not yet. I think I should. I really think I should start smoking again. We are like these puppets on the dashboard of a car.
Yeah.
That was a bumpy road. And don't open your mouth when you make that move. Do they still call it pot?
Yeah.
Yeah, weed, pot, jointje, joint.
Thank you. Zat er wat genomen?
Legal there? Kind of. Are we going to Bitcoin Amsterdam in October? Dad. Are we going to
I was playing
Bitcoin?
with your mom. Don't disturb me when I'm playing with your mom.
Are we going to Bitcoin Amsterdam in October?
No.
Fuck. Good.
In October, when they invite me, send me flights, tickets, and all that stuff for me and my daughter. I can speak there and all that stuff. then we will come. If they don't do that, I don't come. Yes. Who the other guy is? Joli. Hey. Special effect. Navat, you paid again. Navid, sorry. 10 euros. That's 30 euros in donations. What can we do with that? I will check what we can do with that later. Probably we drink a beer or something.
I'm gonna get a massage.
Yeah, whatever you. Echte Nederlander mag niks kosten. Yeah, and it's not about that, you know. Morning, how are you? Ah, good massage by you today. What I want to say with that is, that sounds really arrogant what I'm going to say now, but every time when I go to these conferences and they require me to pay entrance, but then they do show my face like, Didi is on the conference, we have the Bitcoin family in the conference, and then they sell more tickets because of our face. It's just how it is. So I got into a stand that I don't do that anymore, so they should be inviting me a speaker or inviting me as a special guest, and then we come, because else, you know, we would be visiting every conference and they will all earn money on our backs, and I'm kind of done with that, you know. If they want the real one and only Bitcoin family, the one and only family that sold their house, everything else, traveled the world for 6 years, 42 countries, all in without any bank accounts, telling and speaking about that lie and how Bitcoin really should be treated, they should invite us to speak about it, and not cheap.
Is Julie her boyfriend? No, it's not my boyfriend. My birthday is 5th of June and that's is 26th May.
My wife does have a boyfriend, yes. Do we introduce typical Dutch food? Yes. Wherever we are in the world, we eat frikandellen. Frikandellen. Lip job is thought that was. Yeah. So you see, you really don't do it. Bom dia, René. Oh, René, you're waking up late, eh? That's the biggest bear out there. Yes, when the conferences are for free, that's something different. When they don't sell tickets and they offer everything for free, I will come for free. If they sell tickets, they need to pay me. Joli doesn't want to work anymore. She's going to her mom. It's already like a long time, 2 hours streams, eh?
I've already been like very long time streaming.
Yeah.
Come, I'm just going to...
Wait, let's see if it works again. Let's see if I film her from behind the view. Oh yeah. It's so much fun. Bitterballen, yeah, we eat bitterballen, kroketten. Yesterday we had a lot of, no, not yesterday, the day before we had bitterballen. There's a small bar in Lagos Center, near the center place where all the musicians are, and it's a Dutch-owned bar, I think already for 50 years or something, and they sell bitterballen, kaasstengels and all that stuff, and that was really nice to eat that there as well. Boerenkool met worst, that's more my wife's dish. She eats all of that shit. Like, she makes these stoves in the oven and all that stuff with potatoes and bananas and meat and how do you call that? I don't know how you call it. She likes to make that, but I not my thing. Dutch pancakes, of course. Yeah, Barry and Chris did invite me for their party. I don't know if we will be there. I don't know. Is my wife fully Dutch? I think she has partly German as well. I think she has some German background. That would be kind of explaining a lot of stuff, how she acts and all that stuff. Now her last name is Smits. Herr Schmitz. Hallo, Herr Schmitz. So, wie geht's hier? Heute Morgen, Herr Schmitz. That's how I wake up every morning. Aufstehen, Didi! Ich hab gesagt, schnell! And then when I want to have sex with her, I say, zieh die Hose aus, Puppe, sonst knallt's. Ja, schnell! Ausziehen! Jetzt! 1, 2! 1-12, was du Frikadelle Spezial? I don't like KFC on bacon, but it's KYC. The KFC, that's like the thing you can buy McNuggets. The KYC in Binance, I'm gonna withdraw my coins, of course. Did she steal your bike? Yes, she stole my bike. Sardines, also very nice. Ah, again an adult dating site. Why do they come fucking my stream up? Yeah. Then she's German for sure. Ah, now I understand why she doesn't spoon. She's German. They don't want to be too close to people, huh? Sometimes when I go and take a shower, there's no water out of the shower. That was a stupid joke. Sorry. Guys, thank you for being at the live stream, 2-year live stream. And news with Porsche Cayenne. The guy, Wout, still wants to sell it to me, and I told him let's do a meetup soon when all the family and everything is gone, because it's really busy at the moment. 14 people only. I think we have one guy, a friend of Joli, visiting us in 2 days. He's driving from Morocco to the Netherlands, and then he will stop over at our place. We are kind of like a hippie community, eh? Everybody is welcome, yeah. So he's coming, and then the week after that we have another friend of Romain coming with $2 or $1. Is it $2? $1 coming, or the other dollar is not coming. No, Julie doesn't have a boyfriend. She's single. She already said 10 times. At least that's what she tells me, that she's single. Huh? I don't know if online dating and all that stuff is considered as like not being single. No, I don't live in the Netherlands, so I don't pay tax in the Netherlands. I don't use a camera. This is my iPhone. Yeah. Yeah, Billy. She's giving a golden shower. Didi, do you play poker? I'm not a good poker player. I did play poker when I was in the Netherlands with a group of people always, but I'm not the best poker player. I'm a better cheater. With your dogs, I only have one dog. It's not even considered as a dog. It's the size of a pussycat, and it behaves like a tiger. Dog. Guys, I think I'm gonna stop the stream because we did 132 minutes. It was a lot of fun to have my daughter on the stream again, my wife, Jovi for a split of a second. I'm very thankful that you already watched the stream now for 2 hours. I didn't go to the Boom Festival. Next year I will go because I didn't even know that the Boom Festival exists. Give me 1 second, I need to help a customer. Hi.
Bom dia. Tem bolos Berlim.
Polish believe? No. Only the Polar sellers.
Oh, okay, thank you.
So what? Huh? So do you want Jolie to end the live? Let's see if she can end the live. I want to give a special thank you to, of course, the people that did donations. I think it was one person that did a shitload of donations, 30 euros, I think. So thank you very much. My voice is really bad, isn't it? So thank you for watching. Thank you for watching the news in the beginning and all that stuff. Thankful for the donations. Thank you for telling my daughter that she looks beautiful and she doesn't need to do any lip job or boob job or blow job. All of those are not off jobs for my daughter. She is going to say goodbye now to you in a proper way because I'm really bad at that. So thank you. Yes, we do a live every day, guys, from the beach here. I will do the groeten aan Roel as well. I will do groeten and do surf as well. Piet Patat, Bitcoin jongen, frikandellen speciaal, allemaal met z'n allen in een bak en een zonnevuurbal gek. Now, Joli, are you going to say goodbye or do I need to keep rambling on like this? She is really a puber. Sometimes pubers you want to kick their ass. So, she's gonna say goodbye. No fake tits.
Goodbye.
If that is the end of the video, you're like getting even worse every day.
Why? I'm just saying bye.
Thank you for watching, my beautiful
Thank
family.
you for watching this live.
Thank you for giving me the advice not to do a
Thank
little
you.
blow
No.
lips job.
Thank you for
Thumbs up.
and the donation.
Oh my god, boring thing. Go, gone. So, gone. Bye bye. See you tomorrow again, guys. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow. I will be probably making a TA video tomorrow as well, and then again do some other stuff. Now I'm going to make some beautiful music that I can play when YouTube is not on. Thank you, and ciao, ciao, ciao.